All right, I'm James. This is Devin.
I'm not Devin.
I mean, this is Richard. And we're going to take a trip to South Bend, Indiana for a dealer trade for a BMW X6, which is fun. Did you know that there's a few famous people from South Bend, Indiana?
No.
Vivica A. Fox, Pete Buttigieg, a NASCAR driver named Ryan Newman, former NASCAR driver. We're going to have to stop for sausage in Indiana.
Actually?
That shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
Also, Clement Studebaker, founder of Studebaker Automobiles. Oh. South Bend, Indiana. Is that incredible or what?
Super incredible.
It's right up our alley.
Studebaker.
And taking us there is a Portimao Blue Canberra Beige 2025 BMW 330 X-Drive sedan. This is $56,000. So all-wheel drive and a 50/50 weight distributed chassis. That's always good. So the point is to get the cars there safely and back home safely. Hey Devin, you ever look at these big buildings and think like, dang, that's a lot of toilets? Welcome to Indiana. Do you have any fond memories of Indiana? Nothing good happened? Nothing bad happened?
Just drive through.
Just drive through.
Insert card or pay cash.
Okay, stop yelling at me.
Processing. Please wait.
That is aggressive.
Thank you.
How do I get a receipt? Oh my god.
Take receipt.
Okay.
Thought that Michael Jackson was from Gary, Indiana.
Really?
Yeah, how do you feel about that?
Processing. Please wait. Remove ticket. Thank you.
All I can think about is brats, sausage, sausage.
Get on your mind?
Yeah. All right, 51 bucks on meat, and we didn't even eat lunch. All right, we made it. Thanks, Devin, for driving.
You're welcome.
They have a Mazda store and a BMW store, just like us. Are the sausages in the cabin?
Yes?
Okay. Oh, you're gonna take this one?
No, I'll just put it on for you.
Do you want to take this one?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
Dang it. Alright, just finished lunch with Devin before we hit the road again. T. Allen's in South Bend. What a value. A little barbecue. And not outrageously priced. 2 dinners for 20 bucks. What a steal. Hope everybody's okay. So we got 10 miles on the odometer. We're gonna check our miles per gallon on the way back. And of course we got our favorite tunes. So we're about 40 miles in and we're getting an average of 23.4 miles per gallon. I am trying to not use cruise control because a new engine would not appreciate being stabbed at a consistent speed for that long a time. I just try to vary it anywhere from 70 to 84, 85 miles per hour, in between there and back and forth. But this chassis is brilliant. It's just one of my favorite chassis. That it's based on the X5 chassis, which is it's got just great performance, comfort, and balance, and I love it a lot. So I'm happy to be in here behind the wheel of somebody's new baby, getting it back to the dealership safely as possible. And I will check in with you here in the next couple of miles. Average is 24.5 for this trip. Put 142 miles on it. Well, 132 miles, but not bad for a vehicle this big, for fuel economy and the amount of power that you get. Okay, so we made it back to the northwest suburbs off the major highways. We're going to take some side roads and things like that to get back to the BMW Center to get this ready, prepped for delivery. Pre-delivery inspection, which will be the next video that you see on a 2026 BMW X6 40. And thanks for watching. Thanks for traveling with us and having a good time and adventuring. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and safe travels.